Welcome back to another travel vlog. In this episode, Melissa and I flew up to Vancouver to run the 2017 Lululemon SeaWheeze Half Marathon. We flew in on a Thursday afternoon. We got there around 1 o'clock. First thing that we did was went to get some sushi. After an amazing lunch at Miku on the waterfront in Vancouver, we decided to go to Lululemon to get our shopping on. Got done shopping at Lululemon, $500. But we got some good stuff, and it's 25% off, so effectively.
It's like work.
Yeah, we spent $500, but it ends up being like $400 for like 10 items, so I think that's pretty good. Good morning from Vancouver. It is Friday morning. We are headed down to the pre-festival activities here at the Lululemon SeaWheeze Half Marathon. So they have a SeaWheeze store here that we didn't wake up for this year, as we did last year at 4 a.m. Store opens at 7 o'clock, so we're just gonna go do our packet pickups and then gonna walk around, kind of see what the festivities are, and let's go. Alright guys, so this is the line for the SeaWheeze store. It's a little crazy. People line up like the night before, but like this is the whole thing. It wraps around the entire convention center. Yeah, we're totally not going to that store right now. We're going to go packet pickup. And then we're gonna check out the rest of this festival out here. They have lots of events, take some photos and stuff. But yeah, that store is a little crazy.
Alright, so this is the only bag you can use at Gear Check tomorrow.
Sure.
Oh, this is your shoe tag you're timing to. You can just double check it on the way out. Triple check it, I suppose, is the right way to go.
We got all of our packets picked up. We got a free little baggie here. Now we're just gonna check out the rest of this festival. Alright guys, welcome to the Capilano Suspension Bridge. Let's go! Alright, this suspension bridge is super wobbly. Alright, so that was the Capilano Suspension Bridge, the largest tourist attraction here in Vancouver. A lot of people on this suspension bridge. But still cool. It's a little expensive for what it is. This place costs $42 if you're an adult and no discounts, so a little pricey. Alright, it is Saturday morning, about 6:30 a.m. It's the day of the race. We're excited. We're now going to go check our gear and then line up for the corrals for the race. So we're probably going to line up in the 220, 225 corral. And let's go. Hey, what's up? What's going on?
How you doing?
All right.
Good to see you.
Ready to go? Awesome.
I'm ready. Because
Sweet.
it's not raining.
That's true.
Yes.
All right, everybody's over here at the race. We're ready to go. And also that was Dr. Dribbles. He runs the half marathon while dribbling basketballs the entire way. And he just told us that his PR was a minute 30. You ready to go? Yep. I think that's cool.
All I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
All right, you started 13 more miles.
Just wanna be with you. There is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
All right, finish it. I think I finished under 2 hours. We'll see what the official time is. I crossed it. The official time was 2:10. What up, Kelly?
I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings.
All right, so finished the Lululemon SeaWheeze Half Marathon 2017. Actually got a PR, an hour, 55 minutes. And I think I'm retired from half marathons. That was a pretty good time for me. That was really, really good race. Now it's time to head back to the hotel, shower, take a nap. However, the problem with running an hour 55 half marathon is now I'm crippled. Can't really walk that well. Left knee is all banged up. Probably gonna need to take some ibuprofen when we get back to the hotel. But last one, all out or nothing. So Melissa also killed her last half marathon time. What'd you get?
Today,
Yeah,
2:16.
2:16. That's really impressive. So the SeaWheeze Half Marathon is probably the best half marathon you could do because after the race you get a bunch of stuff. We got sunglasses, we got breakfast, and then we also get little sage packets and $10 sage gift card. What else we get? What's that? And they also do massages, but the line for the massage was like 4 hours long when we finished. So that's a no on that. But still, they offered that for everybody who wanted to line up in line. After the race, we went to get some Java Dog after hanging out at the hotel for a little while, trying to recover as best we could. We went shopping at Sage, and then got some dessert, and then basically called it a night. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more videos from This Thinky Life.